Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish pepper soup for rice. First, gather your ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of fresh fish, like catfish or tilapia, along with a mix of Scotch bonnet and bell peppers for that perfect heat. Don't forget your aromatics such as ginger, garlic, and a seasoning cube to build a robust flavor base. Next, clean your fish thoroughly and cut it into 2 to 3 inch serving pieces. Place the fish in a pot with some sliced onions and a pinch of salt, then add enough water to cover. Boil gently for about 10 minutes until the fish is just cooked. Carefully remove the fish and set it aside, then strain the broth to ensure it's clear and smooth. Now, blend your peppers, ginger, and garlic into a smooth paste. Pour this aromatic paste into your strained fish broth. Add any remaining spices and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Reduce the heat and let the soup simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. This allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully, creating a rich and complex taste. Finally, gently return the cooked fish pieces to the simmering soup. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and a little extra pepper if you like a bolder kick. Let it heat through for just a few minutes. Serve your delicious fish pepper soup hot with a side of fluffy white rice. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, please see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.